welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Jackie and this is my beauty space. Today's video is my second official BoxyCharm video. This look that I'm rocking right here was created with everything that is inside of this box. So if you want to see what the month of May brought me in my BoxyCharm box, then keep on watching. So this month we got a few face products, an eye product, a lippy, and some brushes as usual. So we did get a Cover FX full size primer. This retails for $38. So one product, the first product in the box, it is already costing more than the entire box itself. To me, is worth it. Second product we received is a matte lip gloss, which throws me off because matte and gloss are two different things. So I'm interested to see what this looks like. And we will give it a shot. Next up, we did receive a pretty vulgar eyeliner. This is an ink gel eyeliner that retails for $24. Again, this one product costs more than the entire box itself, so we are already getting our bang for our buck. Send us 3 eye brushes in this set. So we have an angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine tipped eyeliner brush. So we can do a subtle or dramatic wing. That is what we were going to try to do today. And then they sent you a Pure Cosmetics face palette. This guy looks like this. The colors seem a little bit dark, but we will see how they perform on the face. And the last product in there was this Aesthetica P12 face brush. It's super soft, so we will see how that works when we go into contour. All right, y'all, so I'm just gonna kind of work through these in the order that I would do my face. So first up, we are going to try the primer. This says a blurring primer that instantly minimizes the appearance of pores, fine lines to create a flawless, super smooth, airbrushed look. I'm all about it. So let's try it out. I'm just gonna take a little bit onto my fingers. Okay. First initial thought is that it reminds me the look and the feel of it, the Benefit Professional. So I'm just going to work that in to my pores. Breaking out a little bit, but we're just gonna ignore that. Of minimizing, like I virtually have no pores. Like I think it actually might be better than Benefits Professional. But the true test is how my makeup applies on top of it, so we will see. So far, I'm really, really loving it. Looks like my foundation is gliding over the top. It's not giving me any issues. I really do feel like my skin looks a little bit more airbrushed than it normally does. Y'all, I don't know if you've ever tried Celsius before. This is literally my favorite energy drink on the market. Next up, we are going to test out the little face palette. So this guy here retails for $30. They give you, I don't know, do you guys ever feel the need to just smell everything? I was just curious. It doesn't smell like anything. They give you 4 shades in here. These kind of feel like they're gonna be a little dark for me, but we're gonna give it a shot. Also, this brush, I don't know, I feel like it's too soft to be a contour brush, but we're gonna, here, actually, let's swatch these guys for you. really dark. The lighter one might work, so let's see. This might work really great on darker skin tones. I just feel like it's, I don't know, it's almost making me look dirty. Like, it is a deep, deep color. Well, let's pray to baby Jesus that the highlighters perform a little bit better than that contour did, because I'm just feeling like my face looks super muddy right now. Let me swatch the highlighters for you. Those do look really, really pretty. Not too glittery, not too chunky. Like, I didn't even have to wet my brush or anything. Okay, so a little bit of redemption. That is so pretty. Okay, all right, Pure. I'm here for it. Hey. Why not? Why not? It's Saturday, we can be a little extra. So real quick, I just hopped off camera and did my eyes. I know I wanted to do a super just neutral kind of bronzy eye so I can really focus on winging out this eyeliner. I did use the makeup palette by Mario for this eye look. If you want to see a tutorial or any looks with this palette, just let me know in the comment section down below. This palette is my ride or die go-to. The pigment in this palette is insane. The most buttery, creamy, I don't even know. It's my favorite palette from ABH to date. So, all right, I'm scared. I'm scared. I will say the consistency is like so smooth. That went on super, super easy. They did give us a little eyebrow spoolie. You can never have enough of those. I like to use these to comb out my lashes. Last but not least, we have a lippy, this matte gloss lip. I don't know, matte and gloss for me don't really go together, but I am curious to see. It is definitely a summery color. It looks like so. Oh wow. She smells so fruity. Oh, it smells so good. So okay, so it's a matte lip gloss. I'm curious to see if this is going to dry down. It says, matte liquid lip gloss, especially formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth, and matte finish. It's a lightweight application, is long wearing for effortless lip color. Y'all, that's the true test right there. All right, y'all, so let's wrap it up, give you my final thoughts on this month's BoxyCharm. My standout favorites have to be definitely the Cover FX Blurring Primer. It really smoothed out my pores. I feel like I look airbrushed. I haven't even finished putting concealer on or powdering my face, so I think it did a really, really good job, you know, smoothing, giving me a smooth canvas for my foundation. My second favorite product is definitely this lippy. Like, I'm curious to know, A, where they sell them, so I'll have to find that out, and B, what kind of colors that they have, because it literally, y'all, like, you know when you have some liquid lips and you can just, they feel like they're on your lips? This is the, probably, I don't wanna say like my favorite formula to date, but this is like comparable to like ABH, Kylie Cosmetics. Like, it feels like there is nothing on my lips. It is 100% transfer proof. So I'm excited to see if this lasts all day. I really, 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 really love this liquid lip formula. And $10, you can't beat that for a bomb liquid lip. So yeah, overall, I think this month's box was a great value. You got so many products in here, and for just $20, like, you can't go wrong. There was, I would say, probably $150 worth of products in here. So it is a great deal. So I will leave the link in the description box down below to sign up if you are not already signed up for BoxyCharm. Yeah, so guys, that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do me a favor, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Click it, like it, love it, watch it, follow me on my journey. I'm having so much fun with you guys filming. This has been unreal, and I can't wait for next month's BoxyCharm. So again, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.